Hi, and welcome back to Income Streams Unlimited. Today I'm really excited because this is a video where I want to thank you for your support on my YouTube channel. I've reached a new milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers, and without you guys, I wouldn't reach that milestone. So basically, I want to make this video a really quick video. I want to keep it under 7 minutes. So basically, in order to get these PLRs that I want to give away, those are premium PLR. You will have to listen or watch this video completely because I'm going to reveal a password in this video, somewhere in the video, that you will need in order to get this PLR. So basically, this PLR, if you don't know what PLR are, PLRs are private label rights. Those are products that are fully designed and built for you. All you have to do is to put your name on it, or even sell it as is and pick up the money. That's it. You don't have nothing to do because these products are complete. But why these PLRs are different? Usually, a PLR can be a simple PDF, but these PLR I'm going to provide to you in this giveaway are supreme quality training guides. Those are video guides with PDF reports, a cheat sheet, audio files, upsell, follow-up email sequence, graphics. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is a dropshipping 101 where you will learn how to do dropshipping. So as you can see, there's a ton of information right there. Articles, legal pages, sales videos, mind map, cheat sheets, voiceover, PowerPoint slides. This is the upsells, squeeze page, giveaway report. You have everything, email swipes. So as you can see, this is not the regular PLR that you can find on the market. These are premium PLRs that you can sell and make a ton of money online with them. So I have 48 of them. This is an example of a landing page. This is provided in the PLR package with video and everything. This is the upsell. Everything is already done for you. This is another one, how to make money with Fiverr. Same thing. You have a video. You have everything. I showed you. I'm going to give you a link where you can take your time and read all that is provided in these PLRs. I already make money with them, and I want to give you access to them, and so you could start making money online yourself. So the way to get these videos, these PLRs, it's pretty simple. You will be provided a link in the description below, which will bring you to this page right there on my website, incomestreamsunlimited.net, and this is where the password will you will have to put the password. And then once you get there, all you have to do is to put your first name, your Gmail or Google account, your YouTube username, because obviously these giveaway are for my subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, then you won't have access to these PLR. So and you will have to select 5 funnels in the package. So why 5? Because I cannot give away all of them. I've paid a lot of money to get them. I'm going to show you where is it? Okay, right there. So each of them worth $27. So there are 48 of them. Just do the math. It's $1,296. I got the biggest package, which is around $1,000. So if you want to get all of them, it's still possible. But if you want to get the simple giveaway, all you have to do is to put the password I'm going to give you right now, which is success, SUCCESS, success. The password is success. Now you have the password. All you have to do is to click the link in the description, put it in the description, put it on the website, and you'll just fill um, this form right there. Why I need a Gmail or Google account email? Because I will have to allow you to download it. I'm using Google Drive. There's an option to only allow some people to download a file or to have access to a file. So this is what I'm using. You will have to provide a Gmail or a Google account email, and I will whitelist you, and you'll be able to download the PLR. So you choose five of them within the list in the description. Now we are at 6 minutes. I have 60 seconds left. Now, if you want to get all of them, so make 6 figures with 48 done for you digital product. This is a giveaway product which will last around 30 days. All you have to do is to click on the link below to enter the giveaway. This is the list as I told you, and you'll get to put your email right there. If you put a fake email, then I won't be able to contact you if you win. So there's no point to do that. Once you put your email right there, all right, all you have to do now, you'll be able to add more points if you do any of those actions. Share on Twitter, share on Facebook, share on Messenger, subscribe to my channel, watch my YouTube channel video completely, like on Facebook, follow on Instagram. You do whatever you need to do. So I'm at 7:02:03 now. It's the end. All you have to do is to click on the link and get started with the giveaway contest. Or just if you don't want to participate and you are right with only 5 of those funnels, then I will be really glad to give it away to you. Just complete the task. All right, thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you've enjoyed this giveaway, and I really hope that you'll be able to make money with them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.